Hey guys, Matthew from Garcia Company Jewelers. Today we're going to talk about Mother's Day, which is May 13th, so right around the corner. In this short video, what we're going to show you is the top 3 gift giving ideas to make it awesome for her this year. The first one we're going to talk about is small tokens of appreciation. So bracelets, charms, those types of things that really just, whether you're a kid, whether you're on a small budget this year, we're going to help you get it under that $200 marker. So you're probably thinking, Garcia Company Jewelers, what can I actually get for under $200? Well, I have a huge selection for under $200, but I'm gonna narrow it down and show you 3 great options. Let's start with gold roses. Those are always a hit. So lacquered, trimmed in 24 karat gold, they're actually real roses. So they're great. They're a huge hit, and I have a lot of colors. So pick your favorite color. Ladies love it, moms love it. Moving over to bracelets, if you want to go down in the $25, $30 range, these are great. Stack them up, get her a bunch of them. Moms love them. They got the little charms, whatever her hobby is. Those are really fun for mom. All right, so jumping to our third idea. So this is handmade silver turquoise, actually made in New Mexico. I mean, we're having a sale on these through Mother's Day. I mean, these are starting at $140, $150. They're amazing handcrafted pieces, again, all made in New Mexico. So if you guys wanted to get something awesome for mom without breaking the bank, remember, you only have 2 weeks. So come and see us at Garcia Company Jewelers.